Josh Abernathy has just given a talk here at NSSpain talking about functions, right? Hello,
Yes,
Josh.
Indeed. Hello.
What was your talk about specifically?
So I talked about how awesome functions are.
Yeah.
And then I talked about how we can use them in our programs to make big programs out of many little things, and how we can kind of break our apps up into smaller, easier pieces.
Okay. What's your opinion about this functions and this functional programming?
I think functional programming is a great thing, and people like to talk about it. It's a very popular thing to talk about right now, which is great, and it's understandable why it's so popular, but I think sometimes it's really hard to know how we take these principles of functional programming and then apply them to the apps that we write in our jobs at work. And so I kind of tried to take a wide view of what it is we do in writing apps and figure out how we can use those principles in the apps today without throwing away all of our code that we already have and without upsetting our coworkers. Just kind of some good broad ideas about these principles of functional programming.
So do you use this functional programming thing you talked about in your day-to-day work?
Yeah, I do. Luckily, a lot of what we do, I work with some really smart people, and so I've learned a lot from working with them, and we've kind of been able to incorporate some of these ideas in the work that we do day to day. In fact, one of the examples I used in my talk is from the app that we make, and I didn't do it, my coworker did it, and it just happened to fit really, really well. Like, well, here he is doing these things that we talk about, and it works really well.
Well, thank you for sharing this time with us, and
Thank
hope
you
to
for
see you
having me.
soon here.
Yes, well, thank you very much.
Welcome.